Congratulations, Odisha. Today I have hello friends, hello student. Today I have selected my topic of conversion, that is 10th result. Today is to be declared. So let's get started. Okay, you will get better idea about the topic and how to deal with this. The declaration of class 10th board result by the Board of Secondary Education Odisha marks a significant milestone in the academic journey of thousands of students across the Odisha. This day is filled with excitement, anxiety, and anticipation as students eagerly check their performance after a month of hard work and dedication. First and foremost, heartfelt congratulations to all the students who have achieved excellent results. Your perseverance, discipline, and commitment have truly paid off. This success is not just a reflection of your intelligence but also of your consistent efforts and determination throughout the year. At the same time, this achievement is shared with parents, teachers, and mentors who have guided the student at every step. Their encouragement, support, and belief in your abilities have played a crucial role in shaping your success. This result is a collective victory for everyone involved in the academic journey. However, for those students who may not have performed as expected, it is important to remember that this is not the end of road. Life offers numerous opportunities and one exam cannot define your futures. Many successful individuals have faced setbacks and have risen stronger with time and experience. It is essential to maintain a positive mindset and learn from the experience instead of feeling disheartened. Students should analyze their mistakes and focus on improvement. Every challenge carries within its seed of growth and self-discovery. Education is not merely about marks, about gaining knowledge, developing skills and building character. Whether your result is high or low, what truly matters is your willingness to keep learning and moving forward with confidence. Moreover, in today's dynamic world, these are countless career paths and opportunity beyond your traditional academics. Students should explore their interests, develop new skills, and remain open to different possibilities that align with your passion and potential. In conclusion, the 10th exam board result in Odisha symbolize both achievement and learning. To the toppers, celebrate your success with humility. To those who struggled, stay hopeful and resilient. Remember, this is just one chapter in your life journey, and many more opportunity is waiting ahead of you. Okay, 10, 10 important words with meaning. An example, milestone, an important stage or achievement. Okay, passing 10th exam is a major milestone in a student life because he has already spent 15 years of his life, right, for this exciting moment. Number two is perseverance. Continue effort despite difficult examples. Her perseverance helped her succeed in the exam. Number third is dedication, strong commitment to task, to do something, that is dedication. Okay. Next is anticipation, a feeling of excitement about something coming. Yes, you are already anticipating the result, right? Your mobile is just what eagerly you are waiting for your mobile to type your roll number, right? So this is called anticipation. Encouragement, support and motivation, you are strongly motivated to check your result and excitement is there, right? Butterflies is there in your stomach, right? So carry on. Let's setback, a temporary failure or problem. Failure is just a setback, not the end. Resilient, able to recover quickly from the difficulties. Okay, this is the word of resilient. Next is analyze, examine carefully. You are examining your mobile carefully to check the result. Afternoon, right around 4 o'clock. Okay. Number, yeah, same word again, it is repeated. Analyze and examines. Okay. Next, coming to dynamic, constantly changing and developing. We live we live in a dynamic and competitive world. Potential, ability to develop and succeed. Example, every student has the potential to achieve. So this is not just only to congrats the student of Odisha. It is the congratulations the student. We can say that the system of Odisha, they have made fruitful and they have designed the system such a way that many students are, they are passing our regular 10th boards